No matter what industry you're in, if it involves joining metal parts, you need to make sure you're using the most cost-effective process. It's a competitive necessity in today's business climate. Is controlling your costs using a manual process a challenge? Are you experiencing large numbers of rejects or rising labor costs? Would you like to cut expenses by increasing throughput while reducing material waste and labor hours? Then automation is the answer. And brazing and soldering technology is the most cost-effective means to automate. But to do it right, you need professionals with the resources and expertise to design and build your automatic machine. You need a partner who can support your equipment and provide the materials to keep you up and running. For a complete solution, you need Fusion Incorporated. At Fusion, we manufacture, deliver, and support complete brazing and soldering solutions that save your organization money. With manufacturing plants in the U.S. and United Kingdom, we've been providing the alloys, applicators, and machines to firms throughout the world for over 40 years. And it all starts with a conversation. When you contact Fusion, we'll take the time to discover the unique details surrounding your application. If you're uncertain we can save you money, we'll conduct a feasibility study to ensure you'll receive a justifiable payback before you invest. We'll then develop a brazing or soldering machine based upon your needs. With the Fusion process, joint quality is virtually guaranteed. The process consists of 3 key components: paste filler metals, applicator equipment, and automatic machines. We take total responsibility for the entire operation. We install the machine, provide the paste filler metals, and offer maintenance support. We can even reconfigure your machine to adapt to your changing needs. Because machine operation requires no special training, and one operator can now turn out hundreds of parts per hour, you'll dramatically reduce labor costs. By eliminating employee exposure to the dangerous brazing temperatures and fluxes used in a manual operation, you now have a safer process. And since filler metal and flux are applied in a single step in just the right amounts, material costs are completely controlled. This is brazing and soldering automation made better. And judging by the number of brazing and soldering installations we've performed, our customers would agree. What can Fusion Incorporated do for your business? For a no-obligation assessment, contact us here to discuss your application. Thank you.